Welcome back to the Last Boy Scouts Survival and Bushcraft. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a tarp shelter on the beach. Stick around. You're going to learn something. For this shelter configuration, we're going to be doing a simple lean-to. That means one wall, one roof, all the same. The opposite side will be facing out towards the ocean, and if it gets cold, we can build ourselves a fire pit right in front to have warmth come directly at us. For this shelter, we're not going to be using any cordage except for affixing our tarp onto our driftwood. To start out, we've taken 3 pieces of driftwood and utilized its natural structure from its grooves and branches to make a tripod. When it comes to selecting a tarp for your shelter, there's all different types you can find. Me personally, to date, I'm utilizing a brand that I purchased from my local Sportsman's Warehouse. What I've done to fortify this tarp is simply go towards each section where the less than perfect grommets are established, and I reinforce them with a piece of Gorilla brand duct tape, and then taking pieces of cordage, my diamond cordage from Harbor Freight specifically, I tied fisherman knot loops and then just ran the loops through the grommets. Now, in order to do this, all you're gonna need is your Gorilla brand duct tape, your cordage, and something to pierce through to make your grommet holes a little bigger to fit the cordage through. But I've done that with each one of my grommets to make this much better. For the next step of our shelter, we're going to be tying our tarp utilizing Ready Rope by Atwood Rope MFG. Now, Ready Rope is an outstanding way to keep your cordage from tangling and dangling all over your gear.
That's what she said. Don't you dare.
It provides a way to cut your cordage, as well to pinch your cordage off, and at the bottom, there's a nice storage compartment for some of your extra survival gear. I love this thing. It's a great place to store a lighter, so that way you can fuse the end of your rope when you're done cutting your cordage. Let's get started. One of the beauties of demonstrating survival skills and techniques is also showing your failures.
Yeah, it went bad. It went real bad. Life sure has a sick sense of humor, doesn't it? Still surfing? Every day.
As you can see behind me, I created more of a parachute than I did a shelter, but we're gonna fix that here in a minute. All right, as you can see, I didn't notice it before, but nature provided. There's a neat little notch right here, so now I don't actually have to physically tie our cordage onto our post. I was able to affix each corner of our tarp onto the side of our gravitationally held tripods. On this corner, all the way to that corner. Alright, so after combing the beach a little bit, we found our solution. A couple extra pieces of driftwood that we're gonna run along the side, so that way we can utilize our ready rope to tie reef knots to the sides of these ridge lines. To make a reef knot, it's very simple. Right over left, and left over right. There you have it. A beach shelter made from a tarp, driftwood, and a little bit of cordage. If you like what you see, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more of the Last Boy Scouts Survival and Bushcraft. And until next time, stay safe, stay vigilant. Knowledge is your weapon. Be prepared.